15 reasons why drinking parsley tea every day can improve your health. Scientifically known as Petroselinum crispum, the parsley plant is an easily recognized and widely used plant, often as a garnish, but more and more for its impressive medicinal benefits. The two variants you have likely seen are curly and Italian parsley, both of which have similar chemical makeups and medicinal applications. The diverse blend of minerals and volatile compounds that can be found in parsley may provide its powerful impact on human health, which is why parsley tea is becoming such a popular natural remedy. Parsley, a green leafy herb commonly used as a garnish or ingredient in cooking, is often overlooked for its medicinal properties. However, parsley tea has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments, including digestion problems, inflammation, and kidney stones. In this video, we will explore the 15 benefits of drinking parsley tea every day and share a delicious parsley tea recipe. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Parsley tea is rich in antioxidants and nutrients including vitamins A, C, K, and folate. It also contains secondary metabolites such as lycopene, alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and damage to the body. These antioxidants help defend the body against chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. 2. Helps control blood sugar levels. In some parts of the world, parsley is used as a herbal remedy to help lower blood sugar levels. In one animal study, parsley consumption was linked to a significant improvement in liver health as well as better blood sugar control. 3. Strengthens the immune system. Vitamins A and C in parsley help strengthen immunity and increase leukocyte production, which is important for immune function. In addition, parsley has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help defend against bacterial and fungal infections. 4. High in vitamin C. Vitamin C in parsley helps build collagen in the body, which is key for strengthening bones, muscles, skin, hair, and tendons. Vitamin C also plays an essential role in wound healing and nutrient absorption. 5. Has cancer-fighting properties. Parsley tea contains a range of flavonoids and other chemoprotective compounds that can neutralize carcinogens, preventing tissue damage and apoptosis, cell death, in healthy cells. Myristicin is one of the volatile compounds found in parsley oil, released in small quantities when brewing, which is directly linked to the prevention of tumor formation, specifically in the lungs, where cancer occurs frequently. 6. Helps regulate the menstrual cycle. Hormonal imbalance plays a key role in the irregularity of menstrual cycles. Parsley contains myristicin and apiol which help boost estrogen production, mitigating the effects of menstruation and helping to regulate monthly periods and lessen their severity. 7. Prevents kidney stones. Parsley helps prevent the formation of stones in the kidneys by making urine more acidic and acting as a diuretic, which increases urine production. Drinking parsley tea can help the body flush out excess toxins, fats, salts, and water and thus reduce strain on the kidneys. 8. Rich source of folic acid. Parsley is rich in folic acid, an essential B vitamin that is important to take during pregnancy because it helps reduce the risk of defective neural tubes in a developing fetus. 9. Relieves respiratory problems. Parsley tea contains beta-carotene, which helps reduce the risk of asthma and clears debris or residue in the lungs. Other compounds in parsley help loosen mucus, phlegm, that accumulates in the internal lining of the lungs and throat, helping prevent congestion. 10. Improves blood circulation. Parsley tea is rich in iron, which helps improve blood health by improving circulation and preventing the risk of anemia. The folic acid in parsley also helps maintain healthy blood vessels by neutralizing the effects of homocysteine, which can damage blood vessels and negatively affect heart health. 11. Easy to make and soothing. Parsley tea is a delicious and soothing beverage that is extremely easy to make at home with just a few simple and inexpensive ingredients. Start by boiling 1 cup, 250 milliliters, of water in a small pot or saucepan. Next, prepare the parsley by rinsing off a 1/4 cup, 15 grams, of fresh parsley and chopping it up. Alternatively, you can use 2 tablespoons, 1 gram, of dried parsley. Add the dried or fresh parsley to the bottom of your cup and pour water over it, allowing it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, use a mesh strainer to remove and discard the parsley leaves before enjoying your hot drink. Parsley tea can be consumed as is or flavored with a bit of honey, lemon juice, or sugar. Note: consuming high amounts of parsley tea is not recommended for those who are pregnant or taking medications like blood thinners or diuretics.